Get ready to meet the Samsung Galaxy A55, the next big thing in Samsung's lineup of smartphones, set to launch worldwide next month. It's the successor to the popular Galaxy A54, offering a perfect mix of affordability and top-notch features, starting at a similar $449.99. Imagine diving into a vibrant world on the expansive 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, now smoother with a 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the A55 is the Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, paired with an AMD GPU, ensuring a high-performing and efficient experience. Boasting 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, this phone is built to keep up with your fast-paced life. For photography lovers, the A55 offers a versatile triple rear camera system, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens for crystal clear moments. Selfie enthusiasts will love the 32MP Infinity-O front camera. No need to worry about battery life. The A55 comes with a robust 5000 mAh battery and 25 AU fast charging. The sleek design, measuring 161.1 x 77.3/77.9 x 8.2 millimeters, combines functionality with style, featuring a USB Type-C port and strategically placed speakers for an optimal audio experience. In a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy A55 is set to make waves in the mid-range smartphone market, delivering cutting-edge tech and user-friendly design at an affordable price.